Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. In a blog devoted to the topic of upfitting cost, a responsible manager asks for help with an upfit quote where he is questioning the cost. Long story short, I'm the new leader of a small campus department with a fleet of one vehicle. I'm looking to replace, and this is my first vehicle order. The upfitting quote came out at $27,000, which is literally about 57% of the cost of the vehicle. I spec'd a solo color roof light bar, amber traffic advisor and rear window, headlight flasher, taillight flasher, and 2 solo colored surface mounts on the grille, along with a basic console, partition, and spotlight. Is this typical in the industry right now? Price does not cover a radio install, or any graphics. Just putting a feeler out to see what other professionals are paying for installs right now. A contributor from Minnesota says, "Seems high, but that could be the going rate in your area." Our last build that I have the spec sheet in front of me for Durango was $15,000, which included $1,000 for teardown of a prior squad. It included Whelen Legacy 54-inch DUO, Cencom Carbide with CanPort, speaker, pushbumper, partition, window guards, Havis dock, Gamber Johnson console, 6 ion DUOs, antennas radio install, Tremco anti-theft device, TLF, charge guard, and delivery to us from 90 minutes away. Other shops in MN charge closer to your quote, and some charge less than what we paid, but then you start to really see build quality suffer. A contributor from Illinois adds in, "Seems a bit excessive to me." In 2023, my local SO was able to get new Explorer police packages spec'd with factory-installed Whelen gear on state bid for $30,000. Bar, siren, grills, and rears. The original question asker adds 54 FS Allegiant, Signal Master, Pathfinder PF200, and 4 micropulse lights and FS speaker. Cage and console are Havis, I believe, nothing crazy. The Minnesota contributor adds more amount. We would have to see it itemized. How much of that is product upcharge, and how much is labor? How big is this upfitter? Are they paying higher prices for products because they are not a dealer? It does seem a bit high, but there are many factors involved. Someone from California says, "Is there more than the one upfitter? Many agencies will get 3 quotes and choose from there." Someone from Georgia chimes in with, "Not a crazy setup at all. Is the car dealer doing the install, or is this another shop?" I would suggest speaking with other local agencies and seeing who they use and at what price point. They may get a discount for volume, but it shouldn't be that different. I would pull numbers from various websites for the item prices, then compare to the spec sheet they provide. Just from Google, that seems like about $5,000 worth of equipment. Then figure wiring, labor, whatever else. Even tripling it would only be $15,000. The equipment, as seen with Whelen Engineering's cloud-high pricing structure, and others have seen significant price increases as have labor component. When you combine the labor and equipment along with the cost, the entire market is much higher than 5 years ago,